Hello everyone, my name is Ala Kokorina and I'm category manager here at GP, supporting our Amazon business specifically, both across the retail and the pro side of the business.
My name is Lindsay Savage, and I lead our data governance and business platform team for consumer products, so also supporting our retail and B2B side of the business.
For me personally, the biggest value add that CIQ Market Share product provides is this more seamless integration with the rest of the data, covering all the rest of the facets of the business on Amazon. Having this one source of truth really makes us more efficient by having it all the data in one place and being able to leverage in a more efficient way. I can focus more on value creation, value add projects and processes rather than just endless data manipulation and data mining. So that was the key point for me personally. And just by talking to the CIQ team and knowing just a few ideas and things that you guys are working on for the 2.0 version of the product makes me even more excited, because if everything comes to fruition, I think it will allow us to get to the bottom of things, like to get to the recommendation, to the more actionable insights even quicker than it is today. The biggest limitation that we faced with the category share data is the fact that it used to live in complete isolation from the rest of the data. Trying to layer in anything else on top of it, whether it's out of stock data or lost by box instances, has been a very, very manual and very time consuming process.
CommerceIQ really took the time to listen to what our business needs were for both our B2B as well as B2C side of consumer products, because they are very different in how they operate. And so that was important to kind of take the time up front and understand how we should design our categories and how they should be reflected, as well as just taking the time to understand our business requirements for our dashboards. We want to make it very efficient and usable for our business to enable them to make quick, good decisions. And so the collaboration and the responsiveness that the CommerceIQ team had was very important to us. Definitely something we look for in a partner. And so as we want to look to be more agile and leverage the technology even further, having that foundation and that confidence in place has been really important for us and a big driver for us as well.